Alright, hello everyone. So recently I have had a chance to work with the Microsoft Power BI, and one of the things is that I try to manipulate the data important to Power BI and also try to export the data in order to use other programming languages such as Python or R and to do some other plotting. However, it's not straightforward to export the data once you do some kind of a manipulation in Power BI. For example, right here, I have some data downloaded from the FDA, and then try to export this one, but there's no way you can export this data. So the data have multiple columns right here, and I try to export it, but that seems like it's impossible. Alright, so here's the trick. We can do that. First of all, we're gonna create a table. So obviously you're gonna create a page right here. Okay. Alright, so all of the field right here I want to export to the CSV file. So in order to do that, I can just select all of them. First one, create date event. So every time you select right here, that column the data gonna be, or the feature gonna be appear as a column in the table. Description, Mitra PD, outcome, patient age, patient type. So this one I already have, so I don't need this one. Product code, product type, report ID, and size. Right. So every time you select a feature over here, that's gonna be appear a one column in the table. All right. So that's good. Now, fortunately, you can export the data from here. So the export. See some warning over here. Some data is so big, it may be a warning. That's the sample right here. Okay, but let's continue. And I can save at a data. It's CSV file. Okay. All right, so let's check it, and the data is available now. All right, so cool, right? All the data, all the information is gonna be appear in this CSV file. So I think that's all. That's solve the trick and solve the problem actually. Because it's not trivial. We try to find a function to export from here, but it's not available. So that's a trick you can do in order to export any source data from the Power BI. Alright, so I hope that video helpful, and don't hesitate to let me know if you have any question. Thanks for watching.